Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Display section after scrolling down. Now select Advanced at the bottom. Scroll down again and click on Font Size. Finally, you can operate this slider to adjust it. Check out Preview above and click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!